Hello students, now let us see the update item.aspx. Okay, after seeing the view item.aspx, now let us move on the update item.aspx. Here we do the update on the basis of item ID. Okay, now let us see and run our program of the this particular eShop website, and let us see the working of the update item.aspx. Firstly, we understand the working, how the particular page will be redirected and what we have to do. Now let us complete this particular process. Okay, so here we need to input the user ID and password. Yes, and I make this user ID and password and click on the login page. Yes, now let us see. If you click on the update item, then you can see that update item.aspx I question mark item is equal to ID. Yes, now click on this. Now you can see the what we can say, that update item page will open. Here we have a item name, details, price, image, and manufacturing name, and you can also check the URL. Here we created the new page, that is the update item.aspx, and the query string is item ID is equal to 1. So here we pass the item ID. Yes, if we pass the 2, then 2 item will be appear. If we pass 1, then first item will be appear. So you can see, when we change the item ID here, then here the item ID and all the data are also changed. So these items, or we can say this data, will be based on this particular item ID. Now let us see the how we can complete our update item.aspx. Firstly, you have to create this particular it is the same page as your add item.aspx, but we need to include one more thing, that is the hidden field inside this particular page, and whole page of the add item.aspx, it is same as your what we can say add item.aspx, but the new thing is that we include the hidden field. Here we store this particular image value inside the hidden field. Okay, why I taken this, let us firstly understand our code, so you can easily capture what I am trying to say. First we have to import our data. Yes, system.data, import system.data.sql client, then make the connection string, as you already know. Now first we have to fill the data. Yes, on the page load we fill the data. Yes, this particular process is called as filling the data. Now data will be filled based on item ID. Yes, so firstly we check if the session is there or not. If the session is nothing, yes, if the session is nothing, then we have to redirect the particular page to the admin login.aspx, and then we put the if condition. If not, page is post back. Yes, if not, page is post back, then why we are putting this particular condition, that because at the every time the data will be filled. If you click on the button click also, then data will be it will firstly go for the page load, then it will come to the events. Yes, button click event. So every time your data will be overwrite. Yes, and what we can say, that data ओवरराइट हो जाता है. सो हमने जो डेटा अपडेट किया है, व्हाट वी अपडेटेड डेटा, दैट विल नॉट appear, or we can say on the code. Yes, now firstly remove this particular condition so you can better understand what I am saying. Yes, it is difficult you people to understand this. So now again I am going to build this particular expression, run this particular program. and you can see, yes, what I am trying to say. Admin, yes. And if I click on the update, and here I change the laptop 1, yes, and click on the update, so you can see that laptop 1 is not appear here. Yes, why this particular thing are doing that? The particular, at the time of the button click, this whole data will be going to be filled inside the page load event. So we put the one condition: if a page not post back, then we have to fill the data. Yes, so at the first time we need to fill the data. Otherwise, if it is not first time, then it will not come into this particular condition. Now let us see the coding of the filling the data. First we have to take 4 objects: connection, command, data adapter and data set. Then we give the connection object to the connection string, and we put strcon, and then we cn dot open. Yes, we open the connection, then command dot connection is equal to cn, then com dot parameters dot add with value. Yes, item id, we add the particular parameter name at the rate p item id, and where the particular parameter value will become, it will come from the request dot query string. Yes, request, inside the request dot query string we put the item id inside the double quotes, and we put the dot to string. So this value is going to be stored here. Now inside the command text we put a simple command: select star from item, where item id is equal to at the rate p item id. So it is a query string item id. Yes, and after this we call the data adapter dot select command is equal to com. Yes, and then we fill the data. So data adapter dot fill inside the bracket ds. So data set will be going to be fill, and then connection dot close. Yes, if ds dot tables of 0 dot rows dot count greater than 0 means what? This item id is right, or it will found inside the database, then fill the data. So now let us check the code for the filling the data. Yes, so txt name dot text is equal to ds dot tables of 0 dot rows of 0. Inside the bracket we need to give the column name. Yes, again for the detail we put the detail value here. For the price we fetch the price value here, and for the m name we fetch the m name here, and we store the image value inside the hidden field. Yes, why I am storing the value, let us see it, you will understand this. If hidden field not equal to this blank, yes, then we have to create the path. Yes, for the displaying the image, so dim strurl as a string, strurl is equal to tile symbol image, so it is a virtual path plus image name. Yes, and this virtual path strurl we assign to the image url. Means what? If this value is not blank, then we have to display the image. Yes, the whole code meaning is that. Now let us go for the update button coding. So inside this we only took two commands. First one is the connection and second one is the command. So connection dot connection string is equal to strcon, connection dot open, command dot connection is equal to cn, command dot parameters dot add with value at the rate p name. Yes, and we same add the various parameters. Okay, and last we created the image. Yes, so str image path, str full path I taken, str name is equal to what we can say inside the double quotes blank, and we say that if file upload one has path, then execute the coding for the path. Yes, and we create the str name is equal to file upload one dot file name, and this particular code we upload, and we do the save as. Yes. So this particular file will be going to be saved on the str full path. Yes. um, in the else part, we if this file upload one dot hash file is nothing, or it does not include the any file, or suppose we do not upload the new file at the time of the update, then it will take the old value. When where we store the all value, we store the all value inside the hidden field one dot value. So it will take the previous image value or image name from this particular hidden field. If you do not write this particular code, then what going to be happen? It will send the str name is equal to blank. Yes. So it will not happen. So for that we include this particular str name. Okay, and after the adding the name, we pass the parameter value to here str name in the @p image. Same way, we also add the p item id, because on the basis of the item id we update the particular item. Yes, here we write the command update item and whole query. Yes, set item name, and where item id is equal to @p item id and all these thing, and we execute the command and close the connection, and we redirect to the view item dot aspx. So here are the full code of the update item dot aspx. Firstly, try out this particular code, and if you have any doubt regarding this particular session, or if you do not understand the update item coding, then you can surely ask me in the online lectures. Yes. So I hope that all you people are understand, and I also give the document for the e-shopping website. Inside that I included whole coding, but you also have to refer the video, then you can understand the whole part. Okay, so thank you so much.